We shall now have the entrance of the grade school flag, the symbol of the University of Perpetual Help System Delta's commitment to quality education, headed by our grade school principal, Mrs. Celia L. Lamarca.
We came to University of Perpetual Help Rizal to learn, and that is just what we've accomplished. But it does not end here. We came for learning, and we will live for more. This is just the beginning. And so today, with great expectations in our midst, thank you for being with us today. Greetings of peace and love from all of us.
Antonio Jose Moran Tamayo, the President of the University of Perpetual Help System Delta. It is my honor to present to you 58 boys and 62 girls, a total of 120 pupils who have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for grade 6 as prescribed by the Department of Education and the University of Perpetual Help System Delta.
By the virtue of the powers vested on me as President of this university, I now confer you your certificates of graduation and proclaim you as graduates of the University of Perpetual Help System Delta Grade School Department. You are now officially eligible for admission to the secondary level. Congratulations.
Let us all grace the presence of Miss Maria Ellen Rivera Lico, MD. You know what my grade 6 yearbook said? My ambition was to become an investigative broadcast journalist. And did it happen? No. Because along the way, our ambitions and our dreams change. You still have your whole life ahead of you to discover what you want. But there is one thing that I want to do right now, and that is I want to encourage each and every one of you to go and discover who you really are. As you continue in this journey of education, take the time to discover the things that you are good at. You are the eagle in our story. And just like him, you were born for greatness. No matter what people tell you, you have been given the heart of an eagle. You have the spirit to succeed. Some people around you, they may call you a chicken, but know in yourself, know that deep inside of you lies the heart of an eagle. You are destined to soar through the skies. You know, you may find this hard to believe, but each one of you here has something that you can offer to the world. I mean, let's accept it. We can't all be math geniuses. We can't all be science wizards. I wasn't. But I want to tell you right now that there is something you can do better than anyone else in the world. And finding that out is where your success lies. Believe me. Do you believe me? I want you to believe me because I want you to know and be convinced that you can actually be good at something. So ladies and gentlemen, I believe that we can expect great things from the class of 2010 of the grade school department. Who knows, in a few years, one of you may also be up here talking to the younger generation and inspiring them to become all that they can be. I was once like you, and now I'm here. And in 10 years, you will also be here. That's exciting, isn't it? So build up your confidence and share it with the rest of the world. Because what I see right now is a vast wealth of potentials in this place. So today, my dear graduates, you are one step closer to your dream. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your moment. So go ahead, stretch your wings and fly. A blessed afternoon to us all.
Bacolod Marquis M. with Loyalty Award, Gold Medal. Bausa Joseph Ray M. Third Honorable Mention, Bronze Medal. Best Co-Curricular Activities, Gold Medal.
We promise ourselves that we will use the gifts given to us when we live and continue to learn. We have completed the first step for opportunities into the real world. So, when tomorrow comes, we will not be afraid. We will show the world the dedication and intelligence we possess inside. Again, in deep gratitude, we say thank you very much to all who made this day a reality. And to my fellow graduates of Batch 2010, good luck to all of you. Godspeed, and may God bless us all.